All right, June 25th, no, 26th, 2020, Friday. I am ready to go fishing for a little bit after a long time. It's a very nice, pleasant summer day. It's overcast, so the sun's not burning us up right now. That's my nephew, Imaad. And we're gonna put a few lines in. Try and relax. I feel a few raindrops, but still, it's an outrageous day. And we're right next to Samina's house. In fact, Omer and Yusuf are in the pool behind me with their cousin Imranu and some neighbors. All right, stay tuned, sports fans. Okay, now, there's my line right there. Right next to is a turtle. Try and zoom in on that turtle. The last time I went past this turtle with my fishing line, he attacked it. Whoa, look at him now. Hey. That's my fishing line. Okay, I gotta pull it out of here, see what happens. He's gonna follow it, I think. Oh man, I need to reel it in. Hang on one second. Okay. Alright, here we are. Now, I'm not really fishing, but I'm kind of playing with this turtle here. Do you see him? He's right behind my bobber. There he is. Oh, there's no one behind him too. I guess they must be really hungry if they want to eat that rubber worm right there. Okay, now I'm gonna have to reel it in a little more. Okay, well, spent about an hour or so throwing in, a little more than an hour, throwing in the fishing lines with Imaad. He actually went to go swimming with his cousins, Omer, Yusuf, and his brother Imranu. There's a lot of turtles here that seem to be attacking my line. I see like 3 over that way, and about 1 more that way. Right there I can see him. He's cut out of the water. And every time I put my fishing line in the water, it seems like they rush towards it to get this little imitation worm. So I'm gonna go see how the boys are doing in the pool. Mamash.
It'd be funny though. Yeah, but I also spent like an hour doing that. Rick. Oh no! Come on, let's go! Nuts. Nuts. And now catch my underwater. Go underwater. And now catch my foot in the staircase. Pretty sure it's on the floor. Because you're losing. Okay, you're not losing. I scored 2. You ever scored 2 points. I scored 2. You're a bush camper. You're a bush camper. You stay in the same spot. You stay in the same spot.